Hello everyone, I wish all of you health and safety, and I come again after a long time. And today I want to talk about food poisoning and what's food poisoning and symptoms and signs, prevent food poisoning, and these are we will speak on here. So at the first, we should know about the food poisoning. Food poisoning starting from where and how it affects on our body. So it's start from the bacteria and parasite. These are it's start from these complete bacteria and from second, third, and after these are. And the last one is 10 endolysin therapy of foodborne illnesses. It's cause of this. So after this, we should know about what is food poisoning. What is food poisoning? Food poisoning refers to a condition that occurs when a person becomes ill after consuming food or beverages contaminated with bacteria, viruses, parasites, or chemicals. And symptoms of food poisoning typically include nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, stomach pain, and sometimes fever. This condition can result from poor hygiene practices in food preparation or storage, consuming spoiled or contaminated food, or the presence of harmful chemicals in food. If severe or persistent symptoms occur, it's essential to seek medical attention. And we have a picture of food poisoning here. After this, we should know about the symptom and sign. What is the symptoms and signs of food poisoning? Symptoms and signs of food poisoning can vary and typically appear within a few hours to a few days after consuming contaminated food or drink. Some common symptoms include the first one is nausea and vomiting, a feeling of nausea and in some cases vomiting. And the second one is diarrhea. Diarrhea, one of the symptoms of food poisoning. The one is of the diarrhea, which can range from mild to severe. And the third one is abdominal pain, feeling of pain or cramping in the abdominal area. Fever. In some cases, there may be a mild or high fever. And the fifth one is dehydration. Due to severe diarrhea and vomiting, signs of dehydration such as dry mouth, excessive thirst, and reduced urination may occur. And the last one is fatigue and general weakness. Fatigue and general weakness, a feeling of fatigue and general weakness due to loss of fluids and electrolytes. So, if some symptoms are severe or persist for a long time, it is important to consult a doctor. So, we have a picture here about this symptom. No, about the symptom and sign. No, about the creating the this problems, aflatoxin, parasite, feed source, such acceptable foods. It's in result make a food poisoning. Okay, prevent food poisoning. How can we prevent food poisoning? At the first, wash your hands. It's more important to prevent. Always wash your hands with soap and water before preparing and eating food. Also do this after using the restroom and before eating. The second one is cook food to the right temperature. Ensure that food are cooked to the appropriate temperatures. For example, ground beef should reach a minimum internal temperature of 160 and 71 centigrade. The third one is proper food storage. Store perishable foods in the refrigerator and avoid leaving them at room temperature for extended periods. And the second, fifth slide, we have a picture and from food safety. Here we have food safety, wash hand safety tools and bag, and as well washing the hand with soap, and it is the safety of types of the safety food. Okay, and the next one is the fourth one of preventing the food food poisoning. Separate foods, prevent cross contamination by keeping raw food separate from cooked food. Use separate cutting boards for raw meat and vegetable, and wash fruit and vegetable, rinse fruit and vegetables thoroughly under running water to remove any dirt or surface contamination. And the sixth one, check expiration date. Check expiration date. Always check the expiration date on food products and avoid consuming anything past its expiration date. And another one of prevent food poisoning, we can say cook and store foods at safe temperatures. Keep cooked foods hot above 140 Fahrenheit or 60 centigrade if they are being held for service, and freeze leftovers if you plan to store them for an extended period. And another one is stay informed about outbreaks. Be extra courteous about food choice during time of specific outbreak such as Salmonella or Listeria. And by following these guidelines, you can significantly reduce the risk of food poisoning. It's all talk about the food poisoning, and I hope you get benefit information for yourself. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my page, and once again, thank you from all of you.